Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Now, children, as I have been informed by Manish sir that cell chapter has been completed in your class, na?
Yes,
Cell
ma'am.
chapter
Yes,
complete हो
ma'am.
चुका है.
Yes,
Has
ma'am.
the question
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
been discussed?
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
answer
हो
has
चुका
been
Yes.
है.
discussed.
Yes, ma'am. All
No.
is done.
Completed.
पूरा
Yes,
हो गया
ma'am.
था या कुछ बाकी था?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. पूरा complete हो गया है.
Oh, you all don't have any problem in that chapter?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No
No.
problem.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
then today we will start a new lesson. एक नया chapter शुरू करते हैं and that is your 11th chapter, that is the human eye. Okay, all of you turn your pages on that page number 196. सब लोग page 196 पे आइए. The blackboard is visible, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, then today we will start this new chapter. If you will have any problem, you can talk to me on the WhatsApp or you can call me. अगर आप कोई दिक्कत previous chapter में होगा, तो आप call कर सकते हो या when I will revise the chapter, then I will discuss in detail about the previous chapters. Now today we will start with this, the human eye. Children, we are very much blessed by the nature that we have got this organ by which we can enjoy the beauties and bounties of this world. Okay, and this is a special feature or a gift, you can say, by which we can see and we can feel that we are blessed. Why? Because when you talk or compare yourself with those persons who do not have this eye, then they can explain you that their world is full of darkness. But we can see all the things which are present on the earth and we can differentiate between darkness and lightness, isn't it? ऐसा है ना, हम लोग differentiate कर सकते हैं what is dark and what is light. But can a person who is not having this special organ, can they differentiate between what is light and what is dark? What is
No,
light
ma'am.
and what is dark?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They cannot differentiate. Everything, everywhere, for them, it is darkness itself. So, this whole world, whatever in this whole world, whatever we do, whatever activities we perform in our day-to-day life also, reading, writing, sketching, observing the nature, driving, everything becomes easier for those who have got the eye, isn't it? Apart from those who are not having this special organ. So today we are going to discuss the structure of the human eye. Now children, from outer structure, when we talk, then we will say that it is like a eyeball is like a spherical in shape and its diameter is about 2.5 centimeter. Then we will go slowly to the internal part of the eye. Like here, as I have drawn the diagram, a rough diagram is here. You can take the help of the book also. Then what we are observing? We are observing that it is almost spherical in shape. Then a outer covering, transparent covering, which is known as cornea, is present. And this is the protective covering. ये आपका protective covering है eye का. Now, what is the necessity for to protect the eye? Because it is a muscular organ and anything can easily damage it. So there is a protective layer which protects it, and the eyelashes and eyelids are also there, that whenever we feel that we are in risk of damaging of our eyes, we this eyelid and eyelashes, they immediately get closed, isn't it? ऐसा होता है ना, जैसे ही हम लोग के आंख के पास कुछ आता है तो हम लोग अपना eyelid और eyelashes बंद, eyelids के थ्रू हम लोग अपना आंख बंद कर लेते हैं. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Now this cornea is your protective covering inside the eye. वो तो outer part से हम लोग उसको protect करते हैं. Inner part के लिए cornea protective layer है. Then behind this cornea, this whole area is filled with liquid, which is watery liquid, or you can say fluid, which is called as aqueous humor. यहाँ जो भी portion embedded है, other parts, they all are present inside this aqueous humor, and that is why this whole area looks white or watery. Watery भी लगता है ना? जैसे ही आप कोई emotions भी feel करते हो, या फिर आप कोई एक्सटर्नल एजेंट से हर्ट होते हो, तो देखते हो अगर आपके आईज से थोड़ा वाटर आने लगता है ना? तो these all things are there for the protection of the eyes and to lubricate the eyes. Eyes को lubrication चाहिए, क्योंकि every time they have to be clean, so that the lens which is present there to focus the object does not have any particles or dust coming on their lens. And this can be done by the blinking of eyes also. Then after that, we'll come to the internal part. Then lens is present. This lens is held by ciliary muscle. ये lens अपने position पे कैसे रह पाता है? So there are presence of ciliary muscles on both the sides. दोनों side में ciliary muscles present होते हैं. And a muscular organ which is there for the pigmentation or coloring of the eye. Now children, have you ever observed that different people have different colors of eyes? ये observation आपने किया है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सेम नहीं होता है. किसी का डार्क ब्राउन होता है, किसी का ग्रेइश होता है, किसी का ब्लैक होता है, व्हाइट होता है, मतलब अलग अलग कलर होता है. ठीक है? And this coloring comes from their parents. वो parents से carry करते हैं genes के through. Then we will talk about the ciliary muscles. What is the after that we'll talk about the function. अभी देखो ये held होता है. Lens is being held by the ciliary muscles. Then lens is there to focus the object. Then where is this focusing being done? Focusing is done on the retina, which is the screen of the this eye. And when it is this image is formed on the retina, it is real but inverted image is formed. Then what happens, children, that we see the object straight? Then it is this message. That signal is being carried by the optic nerve to our brain. ये optic nerve हमारे brain से connected है, और then they process it. The brain process it that whatever we are object should be in which position to be seen to you. Clear? Then आइए यहाँ पर एक और aperture है. A small hole is present on this lens part, and it is black in color, and this aperture allows a adequate and appropriate amount of light ray to travel inside the this eyeball. और ये eyeball में adequate amount of light ही travel कर सकता है. और वो कैसे control होता है? So it is controlled by the ciliary muscle. This also experience you have. It is a natural process. ये एक मतलब automatic process है. कैसे automatic process है? जैसे ही आप bright light के contact में आते हो, you just try to कर्व योर eyelids और eyelashes. कैसे? ऐसे थोड़ा ब्लिंक करते हो और वो क्या होता है, उसके कारण सीलियरी मसल्स के कारण वो एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट आता है. Pupil only allows appropriate amount of light to enter inside, and then the appropriate focus is done. But when the reverse is happening, that means you are going to a dark place, तब आप थोड़ा stretch करके देखना चाहते हो, or you want to find out things or whatever work you have gone for over there. Clear? तो इतना बात समझ में आया? इतनी बातों को आप लोगों ने कैप्चर किया. अभी हम फिर रिवाइज करेंगे. I'll ask you some questions. Yes or no bolo, then I will
Yes,
move
ma'am.
forward.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
अच्छा, अब आपके पास this screen is there. So why do we need a screen? Image formation के लिए आप लोग पढ़े हो ना लाइट चैप्टर में, रिफ्रैक्शन में या रिफ्लेक्शन में, we need a screen to collect the image. Yes. So this retina is your screen, and if this retina is ruptured, everything is okay. Retina is ruptured. It is a very you can say important part of the eye. You will not be able to focus in any image, or you will not get any image. Only retina is not there then. So this retina should be there, or it should be in a healthy position so that all the objects are focused properly on the retina. Then this retina has got two types of cells. Now this focusing, how it is done? ये आपको light sensitive cells उसमें present होता है. And this light sensitive cells are known as photoreceptors. Clear? Is it clear,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Photo
Yes,
means what? Photo का मतलब क्या हुआ? Photo का मतलब होता है light. Receptors means to receive. Clear? So this retina is receiving the light with the help of two types of cell. दो तरह के सेल के प्रेजेंस से रेटिना पर इमेज बनता है. और वो दो तरह का सेल क्या है? रॉड सेल्स एंड कोन सेल्स. Is it clear? दो तरह का सेल उसमें प्रेजेंट होता है. Now rod cells are active in the dim light condition, and cone cells are active in the bright light condition. So the responsibility is divided. Responsibility कैसे divided है कि जब हम dim light condition में आएंगे तो हमारा rod cells काम करना शुरू कर देगा, और जब हम bright light condition में जाएंगे then हमारा cone cells काम करेगा. और bright light condition में cone cells की responsibility color differentiation की भी है. It can differentiate between the colors. Colors को भी वो differentiate कर सकता है. Then cone cells are also responsible, or it is helping in color vision. Now till here any queries or questions, children?
No, ma'am.
यहाँ तक आपको कोई queries या question है? बोलो.
फोटोरिसेप्टर्स क्या होता है?
Photoreceptors means the light receiving cell. जो सेल लाइट को रिसीव कर सकता है उसको photoreceptors कहते हैं. Is it clear?
Ma'am, what is iris?
Pardon?
What is iris?
Iris. It is iris, spelled as iris, beta. It is a muscular organ, muscular part inside the eye, and between to just support, you can say, pigmentation के लिए है, लेकिन वो muscular structure है तो आपको ciliary muscles के करीब होता है और लेंस के पास भी होता है. But it can give color to the eyes. ये eyes को color देता है, providing color to the eyes. ठीक है?
Okay.
और कुछ? Any more queries?
Ma'am, hammer means
Hmm?
hammer.
Pardon? Pardon?
Ma'am, hummer, HUMOR.
हमर नहीं है बेटा, ह्यूमर. इट इज एक्वस ह्यूमर. दैट इज वन वर्ड, एक वर्ड में पढ़िए. हमर नहीं है वो. दैट इज एक्वस ह्यूमर. दैट इज द नेम ऑफ द लिक्विड पार्ट विच इज एट द बैक ऑफ द कॉर्निया. कॉर्निया के बैक में जो लिक्विड पार्ट प्रेजेंट है उसको एक्वस ह्यूमर कहा जाता है. ठीक है. और जो आप देखते हो हमारा आईज हमेशा वाटरी रहता है ना. इट इज वाटरी. आप कभी भी आई को ड्राई नहीं देखोगे. आप ध्यान
Yes,
से
ma'am.
वॉच करना तो आपका वाटरी रहता है आईज, क्योंकि उसको हमेशा एक लुब्रिकेशन चाहिए. इट शुड बी लुब्रिकेटेड एंड देन इट कैन ओनली बी क्लीन. और वो लुब्रिकेशन क्लीनलीनेस के लिए भी होता है. मीन्स कोई आप कभी देखते होगे डस्ट पार्टिकल चला गया तो थोड़ी देर के बाद आंख से आंसू निकलने लगता है. लेकिन वो थोड़े देर के बाद जब हम लोग वाटर से वॉश करते हैं या ऐसे भी कभी कभी नॉर्मली वो निकल जाता है थ्रू द washed away by those watery parts. Now after that, please don't talk in between children. आपस में बात नहीं करो. विराट शर्मा. Yashasvi Rai, do you have any queries?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम बोल बताइए.
Ma'am, how does iris give color to the eye? Ma'am, वो कैसे देता है color? Natural color.
अलग देखो देखो पिगमेंटेशन इज आवर नेचुरल प्रोसेस. जैसे मान लो वो तो जीन्स के थ्रू ही आता है. इट कम्स थ्रू द जीन्स. जीन्स मीन्स इट इज ट्रांसफर्ड. अभी हम लोग सेल पढ़े तो उसमें जीन्स के बारे में पढ़े हो ना. क्रॉसिंग ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम्स
ma'am.
होता है और वो इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर के लिए जीन्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. तो यही कैरेक्टर्स है जो सेल का कलर, बॉडी का कलर. हम लोग क्यों आइडेंटिकल लगते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स के? We look identical due to genes. तो आइरिस में कलरिंग पिगमेंट होता है. जैसे हमारा बॉडी का कलर कैसे होता है? थ्रू द पिगमेंट. सो और वैरी क्यों करते हैं हम लोग एक दूसरे से? अलग अलग कलर के क्यों होते हैं? हम लोग सब तो एक ही एनवायरनमेंट में रह रहे हैं, लेकिन कलर तो सबका अलग अलग है. बॉडी का टेक्सचर अलग अलग है. मीन्स द आउटलुक. कोई बहुत गोरा है, कोई थोड़ा रंग में सांवला है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? दे आर गेटिंग इनहेरिटेड. दोज सेल्स, दोज जीन्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स. वो पेरेंट्स के से ट्रांसफर होता है थ्रू द क्रोमोसोम्स. क्रोमोसोम से ट्रांसफर होता है. तो आइरिस जो मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर है उसमें ये पिगमेंट प्रोड्यूस करने का क्षमता होता है जो कि आंख को एक कलर प्रोवाइड. वो मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर के कारण ही हमारा आई उस तरह का दिखता है जैसा है. whatever it is. Clear? Okay. So after that, after this, इसके बाद क्या है हम लोग को करना कि there is one activity. ये एक्टिविटी है आपके बुक में पेज नंबर 198 में. Just to differentiate between rod cell and cone cell. rod cell और cone cell में differentiate करने के लिए आपके पास एक एक्टिविटी है. व्हाट इज दैट एक्टिविटी फॉर? ये एक्टिविटी क्या है? एक्टिविटी है दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टेक फ्यू कैप्स ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स लाइक रेड कलर, ब्लू कलर, ग्रीन कलर. इस तरह का कैप्स ले लो या बॉटल का कवर ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो. जस्ट टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन डीम लाइट एंड ब्राइट लाइट. What errors you can do in the dim light. Now here, and we have to prove that how rod cells work and how cone cells work. Then you keep it in a dark room, just mingle it up, सबको mix कर दो और एक basket में या कहीं भी आप उसको रख दीजिए. And एक dark room create करो which is totally dark. कहीं से वहाँ light rays नहीं आ रहा. अब आप जाओ और इमीडिएटली उसको सेग्रीगेट करना शुरू करो. जस्ट सेपरेट इट इनटू डिफरेंट कलर्स. ठीक है. देन स्विच ऑन द लाइट. आपने कुछ मिस्टेक भी किया होगा, कुछ आपने करेक्ट भी किया होगा. सपोज 5 you have selected red color, 2, 3, you have selected a blue color, and it might be quite close, or mistakes might be there. Then after that, again, you mingle it up, उसको फिर से ये करो, mix करो, and then you go to the dark room again. Now, after that, when you go to the dark room, you just wait over there for 2-3 minutes, and then after that you separate those caps into different colors. What you will feel that, and you switch on the light. After your work is finished, you switch on the light. You will see that the second time, less mistakes you might have done. Why? Because when you stand in the room for 2-3 minutes, then your rod cell starts activating. और वो रॉड सेल आपको डार्कनेस में भी देखने में मदद कर देगा, और वो उस समय आप लेस मिस्टेक करोगे. यू विल डू लेस मिस्टेक ओवर देयर एज कंपेयर टू द प्रीवियस टाइम. आप सेकेंड टाइम में कम मिस्टेक करोगे, एंड देन दिस इज द activity to prove that in darkness the rod cells get activated and it help us to do work. जैसे कि कभी आपके घर में लाइट पूरा टोटली चला गया, आपका इन्वर्टर भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, तो आप कहीं पर टॉर्च रखते होगे या कैंडल रखते होगे घर में, तो यू वांट टू सर्च इट आउट. तो अगर आपको सर्च करना है तो यू जस्ट डोंट मेक जस्ट क्योस, कोई क्योस नहीं करके आप थोड़ी देर वहां खड़े हो जाओ, और तब आप उसको सर्च करो, तो आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखेगा और आप तब वहां से सामान ले सकते हो. बट इफ यू विल ट्राई इमीडिएटली टू सर्च आउट, तो इमीडिएटली में आपका रॉड सेल एक्टिवेट नहीं होगा और आपको ज्यादा परेशान. दैट व्हाट आई वांट टू से. क्लियर? सो दिस इज व्हाट to demonstrate how light sensitive cell respond to low or dim light condition. So children, have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the work of cones? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What you are asking? Cone. I said
Yes,
that it
ma'am.
is a type of cell which is present in the on the retina. दो तरह का सेल हम बताए हैं ना, rod cell and cone cell. They are photoreceptor cell, और दोनों का एक particular nature है. What is the nature? That rod cell will work in the dim light condition and cone cells will work in the bright light condition. And cone cells are also responsible for color differentiation. Color differentiation के लिए भी cone cells use होता है, means they get activated for color differentiation. Now, one of you, please read the topic and just see that any topic is I have left or I have missed it, then I'll discuss it. कोई एक बच्चा इसको read कर लीजिए, जो जितना हम अभी पढ़ाए हैं. One of you, please come forward. Priyanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
The world around us is known to us largely through our senses. The sense of sight is very important among all our senses. The human eye, one of our most valuable and sensitive organs, gives us this sense of sight. The eye is perhaps the most important and also most perfect optical device that nature has endowed with us with. It is the eye that enables us to see all the beauties and bounties of nature all around us. We all know that this plays a very important and crucial role in our life. We use our eyes in activities like reading, writing, driving, observing nature, and in countless other ways. We have already studied about the phenomenon of refraction of light and its role in the working of lenses. We have also studied about the nature, position, and relative size of images formed by different types of lenses. We also know that it is only when light from an object enters our eye that we are able to see that object. These basic ideas will help us in our study of the human eye.
So this paragraph is clear to all of you? ये paragraph clear है या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear है. Okay, continue. आगे continue करिए.
The
प्रियांशु?
human eye. Yes, ma'am. The human eye. The human eyeball is nearly spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.5 centimeter. Light enters the eye through a transparent curved tough front surface. This is known as the cornea of the eye. It is whitish in color, the white of the eye. Its main function is to act as a protective layer for the eye. The space behind it is filled with a liquid called aqueous humor. Behind the cornea is a dark colored muscular diaphragm called the iris. The iris may be pigmented and is responsible for characteristic color of the eye of a person.
Okay, anybody else who is interested to read?
Ma'am,
Koi
can I
aur
read
bhi?
Anupriya Kumari?
Who? Anupriya?
Ma'am, Yashvi also.
Yes.
Who is interested?
Ma'am, can I?
Tell your name, beta.
I, Anupriya Kumari.
Okay, Anupriya, you can read.
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है,
A
पढ़ो.
small circular aperture opening is present in the center of iris. The size of this aperture is variable and self-adjustable. This aperture is known as the pupil. The pupil appears black as no light is reflected from it. The iris regulates the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of pupil. In dim light, the pupil gets enlarged and thus lets more light enter the eye. In bright light, the pupil contracts. It is the self-adjustment of the size of the pupil that not only protects the entire of the eye from excessive brightness, but also improves its image forming ability.
Next, आगे पढ़िए.
Okay, ma'am.
Any queries
The
or
light-
questions? Anybody? किसी को और कोई queries है यहाँ तक?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है,
No,
आगे
ma'am.
आगे पढ़िए.
The light entering the eye is focused by the eye lens. The eye lens is a convex lens made up of transparent crystalline layers. It is harder at its middle and gradually becomes softer towards its edges. The eye lens is held in the position by ciliary muscles. These muscles help in changing the curvature and hence the focal length of the eye lens. The lens of the eye forms a real inverted image of the object on the inner coat of the eye. This screen of the eye is called retina. It is a light sensitive screen. It is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light sensitive cells or photoreceptors. These light sensitive cells are of two types: the rod shaped cells and the cone shaped cells. The rods and the cones, sensory nerve cells, respond respectively to the amount of light energy and to the colors present in it. The rods are responsible for the vision in dim condition and the cones help us in color vision. The cones get activated only in bright light conditions.
So children, you are understanding the internal structure of the eye. यहाँ तक आप लोग समझ गए हो सब कुछ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
इसको अब तो हम लोग एक्टिविटी पढ़ेंगे और डू यू नो, तो एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन. योर वर्क विल बी टू practice this diagram of eye, and you will yourself you try to note down the function of each part of the eye. आई का हर एक पार्ट का फंक्शन आप समराइज करिएगा एक रफ कॉपी में, और तब उसको लिख कर देखिएगा कि आपने करेक्ट लिखा है या नहीं. ठीक है? In that way you can memorize also that what are the function of the eye and what are the different parts of the eye. Clear? आगे कोई और बच्चा इसको कंटिन्यू करो. Do you know से next page?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Who said first?
Ma'am,
Piyush
yes.
Raj Advan. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Piyush, you can continue. Piyush, पढ़ो.
Do you know the cornea is the tissue in the human body which does not contain blood vessels? The eye muscles are the most active muscles in the human body. Our eyes contain nearly 7 million cones which help us see the color and the details of the objects. Also, there are nearly 120 million cells called rods which help us to see better in dim light conditions. Activity
So
1.
these are the facts, children. ये सब facts है कि आपका कॉर्निया एक टिश्यू है और इसमें ब्लड वेसल्स नहीं होता है, और आई मसल्स एक्टिव मसल्स है ह्यूमन बॉडी का. देन आईज 7 मिलियन कोन सेल्स से कलर डिफरेंशिएशन कर सकता है, but there are 120 million cells which are rod cells and they are helping us to see in dim light condition. ठीक है, चलो आगे.
To demonstrate how light sensitive cells respond to low dim light conditions, take a collection of objects that look almost identical, example cap of different colors but of same size. First, work in a bright room and separate out the caps into piles of similar colors. Count the number of caps of each type. Mix them together after doing the counting. Now turn off most of the lights so that the room is only very dimly lit. Again try to separate out the caps into similar colored piles. Turn on the light and look at the results. Count the number of errors made by you. Mix up the lot once again. Dim the lights again, and after waiting for 7 to 10 minutes, again try to separate the caps in the same dim light conditions. Switch on the lights and again count the errors. What do you observe? There would be fewer errors this time because the light sensitive cells have now got time to adapt themselves to the dim light conditions.
Do you know?
Do you know animals have eyes shaped in different ways? Eyes of crab are quite small, whereas butterflies have large eyes that seem to be made up of thousands of little eyes. They can see not only in front and sides but towards the back as well. A night bird like owl has more rod cells compared to cone cells. Also, this bird has a large cornea and a large pupil to allow more light to enter its eye. The night bird are therefore able to see very well even during the night. They find it difficult to see during the day. This may be due to the rather large amount of light that can enter through their large pupil. The day birds like kite, eagle, chick have more cone shell compared to rod shell. Thus, they can see very well during the day. The decrease in the number of their rod shell make it difficult for them to see during dim light conditions, that is, at night time.
Now, children, one thing we can say that according to the, you can say, survival of these animals and birds in the atmosphere or in the, say, in this nature, they are, their body is also made like that. Like those birds and animals which are nocturnal, जो रात में active होते हैं, उनका आई का स्ट्रक्चर दूसरा होता है, उसमें रॉड सेल्स ज्यादा एक्टिव होते हैं और ज्यादा नंबर में होते हैं इन कंपैरिजन विद द कोन सेल, बिकॉज दे हैव टू सी इन डिम लाइट कंडीशन. क्लियर? तो ये वैरी करता है फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिज्म टू ऑर्गेनिज्म. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द दिस work homework for today? That you have to read the lesson and you have to draw the diagram in rough copy and note down the function of different parts of the earth. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.